y'all, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 17. I'm trying to get a little bit more hype because I'm like, look, I can't be sounding real dead. Like, just because I just got off work don't mean I need to be sounding like I just got off work. So I'm trying to spice this up a little bit or whatever. And I didn't know what I wanted to film today. Okay, I'm like, what am I gonna film today? I'm like, I don't really have anything to do until Tuesday. Today is Monday, December the 16th. We have 9 more days until Christmas, but by the time y'all see this vlog, it will be 8 more days until Christmas. I'm excited, but I noticed that Ashton's room, my 4-year-old, his room is very, very junky, and I'm trying to teach him some independency. So he will be cleaning his room up. Y'all will see that because I will be clipping this in. And also I'm going to do a review because the girls' Telfar bags came, but the box was smaller than the box that mine came in, which only had 1 bag, which was this medium size, okay? Not medium, not small, but medium. And they have small, so it should be 2 in the bag. And this camera is really... I'm using my phone. I'm so used to my camera. I cannot wait to get it back. They just got it back today. They just got it shipped to them today. I noticed when I tracked it. So I'm hoping I can get this back soon. Kind of praying, crossing my fingers. Please let me get it back before Christmas because I need it. Like, this phone is... it's not working for me. I done got too used to my camera. I done had it almost 6 months. But anyway, so y'all come check out this boy's... just look and see it. Let's see how he clean up, y'all. I'm trying to make the boy independent, okay? I can't keep cleaning up his room, all right? I'm getting very exhausted, and I don't want to raise a child that don't know how to clean. So check him out cleaning up, y'all. Yeah, you need to clean up, Ashton. What?
I finished also, bitch.
Okay, come on, finish cleaning up.
Oh, mommy.
Hey, clean up. Fast, come on. Get the other stuff and put it up. Hey, get this. Put that up.
Ow. Ow.
Hurry up.
Oh, ow.
Good job, boy. Come on, clean up.
You gotta clean up.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. You gotta clean up. Mommy.
Ashton, it's not everything is about you, okay? It's time to clean up. Dry hair, boy. Come on, look.
Thanks for being
Because I'm not nobody's maid.
Ow! Mommy.
What?
Is baby in
Put Blippi in the basket, Ashton. Come on, put Blippi in here. Good job.
Mommy.
Ashton, come on. It don't take all day to clean up. Come on. Yeah. Come on, keep putting your clothes in there.
Ah!
Put it in there.
No. Ah. You're already for steering.
Do it.
Oh. Dad.
Put it in here.
Mommy.
I gotta help you. Come on.
Whoa. Whoa. Mommy. Where's pig?
Come on, put this in there. Come on.
A pig.
The pig. Okay, come on, Chucky. You gonna put all your cars in here.
Ew. Ah. This baby is a mama.
Put them cars in here.
Ah.
Put that up. Hey, come on, clean up.
Yeah.
Put that in there.
No.
Put up, boy.
I'm not bringing up. I'm not going to rescue.
Clean up. Everybody, everywhere, clean up. You want to do Santa Claus is coming to town.
Ow!
Santa Claus is coming to town. Hurry. Get the toys now. Hurry. Go. Boy, if you don't hurry up. Come on.
Yo, always going.
Clean up. Settling down. His daddy got him in a bathtub, but I'm happy he did good. It took him a solid 10 minutes to clean his room, and it was a lot like, boy, get it, do it. So I made that a voiceover. That's why I made it a voiceover. I'm like, do it, hurry up. Then I started counting down to like 20, 19, 18, 17, on down. And he liked this challenge. He liked the thrill, so I know what it's going to take. So I'm pleased. That's all that really matters. Like, he needs to clean his room. So right now, as soon as he really go to sleep, I'm going downstairs and I'm about to review these girls' Telfar bags because I gotta wait till Aubrey go to sleep. Y'all, I'm so excited they came. Oh my god. Y'all just don't understand how well I planned this. And I was really stalking the website waiting for these purses to come in stock. And when I thought they wasn't gonna come in stock, I almost bought them the color that they wanted in the medium bag. But I really didn't want them to have that size. I didn't think that they were ready for a medium-sized bag. I really want them to have like a small bag. I was happy I waited. 2 days later, came in stock. And if you know Telfar, they don't be having no sales. So it wasn't like no Cyber Monday. It was just the same price, but it wasn't bad. At $150 each plus taxes. They deserve it. They're some really good kids. So, and it's black owned. So just trying to teach them like, hey, I'm gonna be like, y'all had designers, because it's definitely gonna go up. I'm gonna be like, y'all had designer bags when y'all was 10 and 11 years old. I'm bragging right. Okay, that's what they're gonna be saying. I was rocking Telfar bags when I was 19, because my daughter 10, or Kaylin 11, my niece 11. So. Yeah, but just get into this review, y'all. I'm excited. I can't wait to really see how it goes and how well it matches up with their shoes. I'm gonna pull Kaylin's shoes out in one of my... No, I'm not gonna pull them out, because I'm gonna make that another vlog. Because when Aubrey's shoes come, I'm gonna put that together. I'm gonna match theirs together and just show y'all how to match y'all Telfar bags, okay? What's going on, y'all? So I'm back. Ashley, he's asleep. Aubrey, she's asleep or whatever. And I got a package. It is the girls' Telfar bags. And I had to wait till she was asleep because I did not want her to hear anything. Y'all, the way I'm getting is open. I still can't believe it's 9 more days until Christmas. I'm gonna put this down. They got the mini bags, as you can see. We have 2 in this package. And I was kind of hoping for that because I did get like a little nervous, like, this box is super small compared to the box that came with my medium bag. So I kind of expected with 2 bags to come in, it should have been a bigger box, but it wasn't. I want to say this is Aubrey's. I can't really tell from here, but this is a nice little bag that it come in. Very cutesy. Oh my God, this is the cutest. Oh my God, y'all. I really want to take this off because it, well, not this part, this is like paper, but this part is like Velcro. I could put it back on. I don't know. I wanted to like really just show you all like how big it is, But you can see it is a crossbody. It is their small one, and it's called painter's tape. And if you know painter's tape, that's more like a royal blue. And Aubrey got these shoes that come out on Wednesday. So royal blue and white 12s, and it's called they call raspberry and white or whatever. And I'm hoping to really get those for her and Ashton to match her shoes. And once I do get them, I will probably match them up and do that in the video as well, or I may wait till Christmas because I didn't kind of like show you all whatever. So, oh my God, this is really, really cute, y'all. And I'm gonna put this in there. I'm gonna put it in their touch bags. I'm gonna slide it in one of these bags. I want to say it's gonna be their touch bag or whatever. So anyways, this is the other one. And just if y'all don't know, they're small bags, not all of them, but if you just get the regular with the vegan leather, and it's not like the UGG version of it, their collab with UGG, it's only $150. So this is Kaylin's. Hers is lavender. This is so cute. I had a hard time figuring out which one I wanted to give her because they had like this lavender. They had so many different shades. They had lavender. They had they had a plum color, and I want to say it's a darker one. But like her shoes have like this lavender, and then there's like the Nike sign. It's like a plum. It smells good. It smells really good, but I don't know, it's nice. Like, I can't wait for them to grow up and be like, y'all, I grew up on designer bags because they don't tell them what. Telfar's still like a new brand. It's been around, what I want to say, about 4 or 5 years now, or going on 5 years or something. That's about 5 years now. I've been hearing about Telfar or whatever. I feel like they're going to eventually go up on their prices. They might change their materials because I think they have like a vegan leather, so that's why it's not expensive or whatever. But at least they'd be able to say, like, we had the original ones. We had a designer bag. It's a black designer. Who knows how far it's going to go, though. But I like that bag. It's different. It's affordable. So if you have any preteen girls, or even just for yourself, I still want a small size one. I have the medium in burgundy. I have the medium in the cognac color, and then they got the smalls. So I want to definitely get me a small, y'all. But let me know in the comments, what do you think about a Telfar bag? Are you a fan? Are you not a fan? You prefer Marc Jacobs? I got Marc Jacobs as well. They're a little bit more expensive, but I think it's real leather, so it kind of makes sense. So let me know, what do you all think? Do y'all think these bags cost too much? Did I spend too much money on a 10 and 11-year-old? Kaylin, my niece, is 11. Aubrey is 10. She will be 11 next month. So do you think these are too much? Like a $150 bag is too much for a 10 and 11-year-old? So let me know. I mean, at this point, it's too late. Telfar really has that policy where it says like no refunds or exchanges. All sales are finals, and they don't, like I mentioned before, they don't do like sales. I didn't see like Black Friday sales. Like, I was more concerned about them being in stock. So I'm pretty sure, because they're not high end, like they don't always be in stock, that they always come out around like Black Friday or whatever. So or they may just drop it any different time though. But I just wanted them to feel like they had like a bag to match their shoes or whatever. That wasn't too expensive, because the Marc Jacobs bag, I was gonna get them that. It was gonna run me even more. Kurt Geiger has nice affordable bags, same prices like Telfar, but I didn't see any solid colors, so it just wasn't matching the aesthetic. Y'all probably tired of hearing me say aesthetic, but it wasn't matching the aesthetic that I was going for them. Lavender is Kaylin's favorite color. Like, her bedroom has like a lot of lavender and purple. Aubrey loves blue. She likes light blue or royal blue. So initially when she did the Christmas list, she wanted a light blue Telfar bag because she wanted these dunks. But then when she saw that they had these royal blue and white Jordans coming out December the 18th, which is Wednesday, she decided to go for that. So now I'm just like fingers crossed that I get these for her, y'all. Like, it just will complete it. And it's just so much work just to get shoes. I'm going to link the shoes. No, I'm not. I'm not going to link the shoes in here because I want this part of another video. I'm not going to link it in there though. But anyways, y'all, I know this is another short vlog. I'm trying to, you know, it's becoming exhausting. I do have a lot of things to do tomorrow. We have upcoming Christmas pictures this week, and tomorrow I'm supposed to wash Aubrey hair, but she told me she don't really want to go to school looking like, because you can't put products on your hair after you get done washing it before you get it braided. So what I'm thinking about doing is picking her up early on Wednesday, having her take her hair down. I'll wash it, deep condition it, take her to her hair appointment. I think it's at 3 or 3:30. It really depends on, because I'm supposed to confirm with my hairstylist tomorrow what time to bring Aubrey on Wednesday. So that'll work out in favor. It depends on what time she say. Looks like Aubrey will be missing her dance practice on Wednesday because of that. I got my hair appointment on Thursday, so I got to take my braids down. Probably going to take my hair down on Wednesday and wash my hair. Wash Ashley's hair on Thursday night, do his hair Friday morning so we can get ready for our pictures on Friday, y'all. It's a lot. We're doing Christmas pictures in our pajamas. I'm actually going to film that, so I'm going to actually film. That's going to be like a longer vlog. I'm going to actually film like my Christmas pajamas that we're going to have. But for that day, Aubrey's going to change for her Christmas pajamas to go to school that day to match her best friend. And then same day on Friday, she also had to like change it to her ugly Christmas sweater that y'all saw in my previous vlog to go to her dance team. So it's like, that's gonna be a lot. I may take Ashton to go see Santa Claus and do some pictures because he's never had Santa Claus pictures. I already had that like 2 or 3 times coming up. And she told me she's not gonna be caught dead with Santa Claus no more in the picture. So I'm just like, all right, let me just try to see what I'm gonna do with him. We're gonna be really having fun on Saturday. I can't wait for y'all to see that vlog. You're gonna see my sister-in-law, my brother, nieces and nephews, my best friend. She's gonna come with her stepdaughter and her nephew. So it's like, I'm just like, hey, we all meet up. I'm not gonna tell y'all what we're doing. So I just want y'all to see it. So I'm excited, y'all. We just have so many different plans. We have something planned on next Monday, the 23rd. Then we have Christmas Eve, where we do some Christmas pajamas again, and they're totally different pajamas. I'm too extra, but they were on sale, so I'm not tripping. Then we have Christmas Day. I plan on being in the house. Like, if you want me out, you better have a seafood board. And if I see 3 clusters, I'm knocking everything over. Don't bring me out the house with no 3 clusters. I'm not sharing no 3 clusters with nobody, okay? So, because I really prefer to just be in the house. Then I'm going to show y'all how we do on Christmas Eve. Traditionally, we always do like chicken and waffles on Christmas Eve with the kids. And excuse me, I told Aubrey first, I was like, I don't think we're gonna do it. We've been doing it for the last 3 years. She's like, no, we don't need to stop. Ask Kaylin, see what Kaylin said. I talked to Kaylin last night, and she was like, I know you lying. I love chicken and waffles. That's why I always say we're gonna get when we at your house. So I'm just gonna keep it there. I'm like, this is what y'all want. I had that for the kids. Me and my husband, we'll eat something different. And my mom was supposed to come over that day, so I'm trying to make chicken and waffles for her as well. So, and her fiance, I'm just ready just to get through and that be it. And I'm just ready for Christmas to come and go. Like, it just brings so much anxiety. I love the holiday, but it brings so much anxiety, and I could go on and on and on and on and on. So we're gonna end this vlog, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know in the comments if y'all think those bags cost too much money, okay? All right, y'all. Bye.